working right outside Mumsy's house, I'm serving. Same way my bro got locked, I'm.
Welcome back to the Underground Supplement Empire. If you are starting your pre-workout journey, whether you're just starting to go to the gym or you are consistently going and you need the extra push, this video is for you because I will discuss the basic elements of what pre-workouts are and who should and shouldn't be taking them. Workouts are multi-ingredient supplements designed to give you better performance throughout your workout. The ingredients consist of caffeine, creatine monohydrate, theobromine, and beta-alanine. For the purpose of this video, I won't be breaking down each of those supplements, but please let me know in the comments below if this is something that you want me to discuss next. Why you shouldn't take pre-workouts. One is if you already have a pre-existing heart issue. All the caffeine is going to do is just make your heart work harder, so let's not do that. Two is if you're going to do a cardiovascular workout. So if you're going to go for a run or rowing or whatever the case may be, again, that's not what pre-workouts are designed for. They're meant for the gym and lifting weights. And again, if you decide not to take my advice, all you're doing is increases your chances of a heart attack. So if you're gonna do your cardio, do it after you lift. You should really be doing that anyways. And again, I can go into further detail about that. But again, pre-workout, weight training, cardio after. Third thing is if you're already taking and drinking really caffeine. So if you're doing energy drinks, coffee, you don't need the pre-workouts. If you decide not to listen to my advice, years down the line, you'll have nerve damage among other things. So again, let's just stick to one form of caffeine. And who knows, you might be a better person because of it. And lastly, but not least, is depending on your lifestyle. Early in the morning, don't take it late at night because it's going to keep you up. There are non-stim pre-workouts that you can take. I can always talk about that. Just let me know in the comments. So the first reason why you should take pre-workout is because you want the energy to actually go to the gym. So maybe you're disciplined, or really you should be disciplined first, but then if for whatever reason you want to be consistent, this is a great tool to use to actually get to the gym and have that energy. Second reason why you should take pre-workout is to get past plateaus. So plateaus hit in any gym routine. You've been going consistently for a couple months and your numbers in terms of putting up weight is just staying stagnant. That's a plateau. So to push through that, pre-workouts can actually help because of the amino acids and the caffeine. That's another reason why you should take caffeine or really pre-workouts. The third reason why you should take a pre-workout is because you want to try something new. I mean, if you've been going to the gym regularly, it gets pretty boring pretty quick. So you want to constantly mix it up. And who knows, taking pre-workout might actually make you a better person. Those were the pros and cons for taking pre-workouts, but I have one more bonus tip for you. So the bonus tip I have for you is called dry scooping. Now, this has gone viral on TikTok, Instagram, you name it. But essentially what you're doing is you're taking a scoop of the powdered pre-workout, putting it into your mouth, and then taking a little bit of water and then gunning it back. Now, this is very, very dangerous because it just increases your chances of having a heart attack and shutting down your nervous system. And it's also a very addictive habit because of the rush of the caffeine and the beta-alanine that gives you the tingling feeling. But again, I just strongly advise against it. Read on the back of the label what the pre-workout companies want you to do. So if it says mix it into a 10 ounces of water and then put one scoop of the pre-workout in there and drink it over the course of 15 minutes, do that. Again, don't dry scoop. It is very dangerous and you will have some serious side effects with that. If you're able to go to the gym consistently without pre-workout, you're a savage, and I want to be just like you when I grow up. So to close this video up, I just want to say thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Do you believe in pre-workouts? Let me know in the comments below. We came, we saw, and we're still conquering. Empire out.
I'm working right outside Mumsy's house, I'm serving. Same way my bro got locked.